Just like any city, Zagreb too has its own flavor. It's sweet and spicy and it stays with you for a long time. Hi, my name is Andrea and today I'll treat you to Paprenjak, a traditional Zagreb cookie. The spices, of course, are the biggest charm of Paprenjak. Cinnamon, clove and nutmeg open up with a subtle flirt, but then the final black pepper notes kick in and you're hooked forever. I know you're in a swoon, but do resist having a bite straight away. Admire the motifs embossed on each cookie. Here we have the classic religious ones: angels, stars, bells, leaves. Oops, there's one with my initial in Glagolitic, P for Pisat. I stamped it this way to protect my share of the cookies. So, hands off for now. We're taking a few to August Šenoa, Croatian writer, and in a way the Paprenjak's godfather. Do you want some, August? In his novel, The Goldsmith's Treasure, Šenoa depicted the 16th century Zagreb, and there, at the central St. Mark's Square, Magda delighted everyone with her peppery cookies. She was called the Paprenjak lady. Over the length and breadth of the city, there was not a woman, noble or common, who could bake Paprenjaks in the way that Magda knew. Day in and day out, there was a run on her Paprenjaks, and the city judge himself was known to leave a pretty penny in her purse every so often. Šenoa gave Paprenjak a written proof of existence, but without the pastry chef father, he would have probably never succumbed to the cookie's charms. August Šenoa baked sweets for the bishops in capital. We still have his original Paprenjak molds and his handwritten recipes, and we can be pretty sure that his Paprenjaks are as delicious as those that Magda baked in his son's novel. This is just a short CV of Zagreb's favorite biscuit. I'll let you taste it now. Go on, have a bite. Then find it in souvenir shops. Pick a modern flavor. Oh, I do love carob. Or a super modern design. Look at those artsy ones. When you run out, come back for more. More of the sweet and spicy flavor of Zagreb.